In this video, I'll show you two different ways that you can hide your Clickbank affiliate links so you can shorten them and make them look more clickable. So let's say you've got this product that you want to promote, which is wood profits. You would obviously go to Clickbank, you would click promote, and you would enter in your nickname, which would then give you your Clickbank affiliate link. Now this is long, we want to shorten this, and I'm going to show you two different ways right now. So we're going to go ahead and copy this, and we're going to go to a new website, which is going to shorten our link for free, and that is going to be a website called tinyurl. So once you're on tinyurl.com, you can paste in your long Clickbank link, and you can see here it is. You can then shorten that, so it's tinyurl.com / then you can enter any text here. So wood profits YT, we'll just call it, for wood profits YouTube. I'm then going to make this a tiny URL. If it's available, we'll be given that link, and then when we copy this link and paste it in any search bar or any URL box, it will then redirect to our Clickbank product. And this is going to redirect to our Clickbank affiliate link, so we will still be credited for that sale. Now that's one method, and that's the free method. I'm going to show you a better method, which is going to cost you about $1 per year. The better method is to go to a website like Namecheap, where you can register a domain for under $1 a year. So if I search here for wood profits product, maybe. I'm just trying to find a domain which is available and isn't taken. You can see the .com is $9 a year, but if you scroll down here, you can find some which are much cheaper. So you've got one at $1.88 per year. Wood profits product.shop is $1.78 per year. You can buy this, and I'm not going to run you through that. You can buy this and you can simply redirect your domain name to your affiliate link. Now I've already bought one, and I'll show you how. So if I go to dashboard on Namecheap, I scroll down, you can see I've got wood profits YT.online. I then go to manage. What I can do is I can redirect my domain name to Clickbank. So all I would do is I would make sure we're on Namecheap basic DNS. We will then go to the source URL, and we can enter our domain name, and the destination URL is going to be Clickbank, our Clickbank affiliate link. Then in the second entry, you would enter your domain name again, but with www in front of it, and then that will redirect again to the destination URL of Clickbank. And to do all this, you would just add a redirect here. It's very easy. That will cover you for www.yourdomainname and just your domain name. And once you've done all of this, you can then test it. So if I go ahead and go www.woodprofitsyt.online, it should then redirect to the Clickbank offer, and here it is. So that's how easy it is. Those are two different ways. Leave a like if it helped.